How's it going, everyone? So, today I'm just gonna show off my vlogging setup with my phone instead of my full-blown camera. So, today we're doing a day in a life. It's gonna be a very short and simple day. I'm going to work right now, but before I do that, I'm actually getting some art supplies for my friend because I'm making them a really cute drawing thingy. So, we'll get those, go to work, and then after work we'll continue the day. So we have to park over here to get to over there because opening nights for like Lion King and such are very full. So we have to park over here and get designated parking. So there's that. But I'm about to start my shift. So let's go ahead and do that. So, this is Theater 8. It is the second smallest theater we have here, and a thing about being a server here is that it's actually super fun. We have the whole greet, and we get to talk to people for like 5 minutes at most, or sometimes a little bit longer. And the cool part is that we get to kind of socialize to get how we get paid, if that makes sense. It's hard to explain how servers get paid. But the reason why we get tipped is because we get like $2.13 an hour if we just start out, unless we get promoted. Let me put this chair back. Now, the cool part is I think I'm allowed to film and vlog while I'm here unless it's busy. And yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. So we'll see how that goes. Now this is Theater 6, and that is Manny. See, Manny is the man's of men of manniness of Manny. I'm surprised he's not a manager. Now,
Not yet.
that's Brandy. That's like, she's a drink, I guess. Brandy's are drinks.
It is a drink. It's
Yeah.
a really good drink. It's a drink you want. And you don't want to remember anything.
So,
That's true.
how do you like working here, Manny?
Do you want the absolute truth?
Let's cut that. So for our theaters, before we start greeting, we always need to get our rows. And I like to do them sometimes if the managers are busy, but I feel like with this it's a really weird way. So I'm gonna say that I should ask them because they're sometimes more knowledgeable. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm vlogging. How are you guys doing today?
How are you guys?
Chill. It's too early to tell yet. People aren't here. Okay, I thought I was gonna hit that wall. That one. Well, let's go get those rows. I can't show you what's in there. It's the operations office. But what I can do is tell you my rows. So the rows are alphabetical, except we actually take out the letter I because the I looks like a 1 and it could be confusing to some people. But man, I haven't done this in a while. So I get the top row because I have the most people, and if I'm lead and I only get to stay in that theater, that means I should get the most people. So in that case, she gets 2 of the rows that has like relatively the smaller amount of people, and then I get the rest of the theater. But if it gets a little bit more busy, then I end up getting the whole thing. So Brandy, you have CD, I have E. That meme is old. Currently bringing drink tray with one hand. No tripod. But this is how we transport the drinks. It's a little bit harder to talk and do this. Didn't realize I actually hold my breath usually, or sing lyrics. But, oh wait, how am I gonna put this down? I didn't think this went through. 1 second. Okay, so no mount right now, but mainly because I have to make it quick. I need to run some drinks to my guests. But yeah, I covered that tray, and we'll see how this goes by later because I have to greet in another 30 minutes in a similar theater. It's a theater 7. Oh my god, I keep on angling down. I should just angle up like that. Oh, that makes more sense. But let's keep going. This is our learning lab. It's technically a break room, but we call it that. And I'm so bored. There's like nothing going on. Say hi to Lauren. She's the worst person that works here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm leaving now. Thanks.
Bye. Alright. Everyone loves her. But it's just so dead. There's nothing. Okay. But I'm about to greet again in 10 minutes, so let's see how that goes. I guess. So I just got off work, bought some wine, and okay, that's getting kind of loud. Let's close that up. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a wine night at my place, but I'm not gonna show that. So yeah, also I have a really ugly pimple right in the middle. I look like it's a bendy, bandy, whatever. Yeah. Also keeping my eyes on the road instead of you guys, which is kind of shocking in a way because I'm used to doing that. But I hope I showed enough of what my workplace kind of looks like. I definitely can't show how it feels because I'm always working. I kind of got busy because of course Lion King, and I was lead a lot, so there was that. But other than that, today was just a chill, pretty fun day, and it's just how I'm just showing off how you can vlog on a daily way with your phone, I guess. I'm still using the setup like I used before, you know, with the, well, actually I didn't explain the setup in the beginning. Well, I probably did in like a separate type of part video thing in the inside, but let's continue. So basically I just use the Woozy of it's basically a phone mount that has a hot shoe mic if you would like to use a better audio system for your phone. But honestly, you could use your phone in the beginning without it. You don't need a microphone in the beginning. I'm gonna do a separate vlog on that, comparing certain things of these phone vlogging type of gear. So we'll see what happens then. But for now, this is it. This is just a setup that I use personally, and like we'll continue off this series eventually, most likely soon, depending on what I'm scheduling. But that's it. So if you guys liked and enjoyed the video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, because if you want more content, you gotta go to my channel to get the content. I don't know why I'm doing the Matthew McConaughey, but other than that, also, if you have any video suggestions, also comment down below so that I know what to review, what to talk about, what to film, and we'll continue there. Choked on my own air, I guess. And then, of course, dream big.